In this tutorial, we will build together this beautiful website, and we will build the about section. We will build together the icon section with different services. Then we will build the icon list, and we would have the testimonial and call to action. Then we have the footer and header. So let's start. Unleash your creativity. Become a master website builder with WordPress without touching a single line of code. To earn 10K monthly, or to create your own website for your small medium businesses, or to start your online business e-commerce, or to build your professional brand. Go to the dashboard phase, create a new phase, give the phase name, Business Consult, publish, edit with Elementor, so we have the title, Business Consult. Now go to the setting and turn the height title, click update. Now click the plus icon and get this two container, this section with the two column. Go to the style, section style, edit section style and background type. Choose the image, upload. Now change the display to cover and attachment to scroll. Click this plus icon in the column. Now go to the edit section and advance. From there unlink the padding and put in the top 190. Bottom 150, and click the plus icon, drag and drop image, upload the image of office girl. So we have the picture. Now go to the advanced. From there select mask, turn on the mask, and we have now this circle mask over this image. This one is the flower, triangle mask, hexagon. So we will create one custom by uploading an image and shape image. So our image mask with this shape. click update and see the preview by clicking that eye icon. So this is our preview. We have this image with the mask one, with the shape we uploaded, the shape image. Now go to the second edit column, click the advanced, put the padding 50 for each side, and for the left one keep 100. Drag and drop the title. Text description. Button. Now copy this text, Emperor Transform, and put as a title here. Go to the style, change the color to white, and in the content, let's break this line by using a breaking tag, breaking HTML tag. So this line is breaked, and go to the style again, change the font, Archivo, black, size to 75. Alright, now change the text color, the text description. Click the style and put in the button the call to change the text description, and then we will change the text of the button. Now go to the style of the button. Alright, so change the color with gradient. Click update. So this is our preview. Alright, now let's get a spacer to put a space between this the two sections. Get the two column section, click the edit column of the left side one, upload the image. Go to the next one, then click advance. In the padding, put 50 for each side. Drag and drop the title and duplicate it. Drop a text description and a button. Change the first one size to H6. Place this text to the text description. Change the text color to black. Change the button text to contact us. Change the button color to the gradient. Change the hover color. So we change the hover color for this button. Click update. So this is our preview of the next section we just created. Now let's get a single column, this section, and go to the style, give the background color to gradient. So we have this background color for this section. Now drag and drop spacer. Click again the edit section, go to the advanced. From there, go to the style. From there, go to the shape builder and select from the top the mountain. So we have this shape divider of this style. Decrease the height, increase the spacer size to 54. Now go to the edit section, shape builder, increase the height, click the plus icon to place the text. Now we have these three different columns. Drag and drop the text heading. Duplicate this and change the size to H6. Go to the style, change the color to black. Consulting service. Now get this three column. Go to the advance of edit column from the left one and put 50 for each side in the padding. Type image box. Drag and drop to this column. Click this pen icon to edit this. Upload the icon. So all the icons are uploading for this section. Select the business consulting icon. Go to the get the text and change the headline, the title of this icon. Go to the style and increase the size of this icon. Change the text description color to black. And give a hover animation for this icon to grow. Pulse grow. So whenever mouse hover, it would act as a pulse grow. Now copy this element and paste it then in the next column. Now what happened that we don't have the padding, so delete this one. Just duplicate this column more two times, so we'd have total 3. Then delete the next 2 column, the empty one. Alright, so we have all the 3 elements with a padding, all the size 50 pixel. Now get this text financial consulting and change the image, the icon. Sales and marketing. Change the icon. So we have these 3 icons for consulting services, business, financial. Now click and duplicate this section. So we have this total 3 icons. Copy this productivity improvement. Change the icon. change the icon. The last one, HR Consulting. Change the icon. So we have all the 6 icons in the consulting service. Now click the update and see the preview. So this is our 6th icon, and we see the hover action. Minimum height for this section. No, it's not working. So we will put the margin top and the bottom 30 by 30, 50, 50 by 60. All right, after that, so we have a top and the bottom margin for this section. Click in the consulting service text and bring it to the middle. Update. Now get another section, a single column for spacer. Get this 2 column. Edit column for the right side one. Go to the background image. Change the display size to cover. Drag and drop a text. Duplicate it. Drag and drop icon list. And drop a button. Change the size to H6 and color to black. H3. Now let's work on the icon list. So delete the first 2 and change the icon to this side, insert. Change the icon name to business consulting. copy this icon list. So we have now the two icon in the list. Make more one. So we have 3 now in the icon list. Now go to the style, turn on the divider. So we have a divider between these 3 icon list. Change the color of we make it the divider color to more transparent. No, left side aligned icon. Increase the icon size to 27 and the space between this icon list is 15 pixel. Change the text color to black. Increase the space gap 16. Inline auto so you don't see the divider out of this box icon text. Now go to the button and from there change the layout to the top 50 margin. Change the button text. Go to the style and change the button color. Update. Now let's see how this icon list looks. So that was our preview. Now let's create let's get a spacer. Get a single column. Go to the section, style, upload an image. So we have this background image. Change this display size to cover and the attachment to fixed. Type your icon and drop icon box from the element. Delete the description. Type quote and get this icon of quote. And change the text to review from our happy clients. Change the color to white and the text color also to white. Change from the title. Alright, so we have the text color and the icons to white. Now go to the edit column. from the advance. Now go to the edit section. From there, select advance, and in the padding, put the 200 top and 200 bottom. Left 145, right 145. Alright, so we have this background image. Now go to the Elementor and type testimonial, drag and drop one testimonial to below this review from our happy clients. Place this review. Change the title and the name and the image. So we change the image of the customers. Change the color of the review to white. Title colors to white as well. Click Update. Alright, so we have the testimonial, the review section. Now get this 2 column for call to action. Go to the first one, edit section, style, and change the background color. Drag and drop an image. Go to the edit column, advance, and unlink the margin. Put in the top -90, so this image would go up. And in the right for the padding, 100. Now let's get some text in the right side column. Change the size to H6. H2. Drag and drop a button. Change the button text to talk to Mary. And here in the link you can put the phone number. If your customer call from the mobile, if she browse from the mobile, they will get call direct from your phone. Give the border radius to 5 for each side. Change the color of this button. Give a box shadow to make it more transparent. Bring it to middle, this column, so all the text and button will be in the middle. Now click update. So now we have this call to action section. So we have done this one. Now go to the dashboard to create phases. About, publish, create another one, contact, now go to the setting and choose the static page, business consult, save changes. Go to the appearance menu, give a menu name to primary menu, create menu, select all these three, add to menu, home, save menu, now go to create the header, select the header, insert, change the color of the background, go to the menu, bring it to middle, active color would be black, go to the hover, change the text of the menu, to 700 bold and size to 22. Publish, add condition to entire site, save and close. Let's see the preview. Let's make footer now. Get this one, insert. Change the color to black, make it gray. Change the text to 2023. Change the color to white for social icon and the text follow us. Add condition to enter site, and by this way you can change the any color, text, size. So this is how our website looks like. We have header and all the sections. Cool. So you can build this beautiful website and first build this with me and post this website to our Facebook group so we can make a review. So go to the first section, go to the advanced, unlink the margin and put in the top 80 pixels, since because of the header we have cut off the 80 pixel. Click the update. So we have a better view of this section. So this is our complete site. Now make it one, and post it in our Facebook group. You will get the link in the description.